Doing justice is not an easy responsibility. It is becoming increasingly challenging with each passing day. At times, there were also concerted efforts in media, particularly on the social media against judges. Another aspect which affects the fair functioning and independence of the judiciary is the rising number of media trials. New media tools have enormous amplifying ability, but appears to be incapable of distinguishing between the right and the wrong, the good and the bad, and the real and the fake. Media trials cannot be a guiding factor in deciding cases. Of late, we see the media running kangaroo courts. At times, on issues even experienced judges find it difficulty to decide. Ill-informed and agenda-driven debates on issues involving justice delivery are proving to be detrimental to the health of democracy. Biased views being propagated by media are affecting the people, weakening the democracy and harming the system. In this process, justice delivery gets adversely affected. By overstepping and breaching your responsibilities, you are taking our democracy 2 steps backward. Print media still has certain degree of accountability, whereas electronic media has zero accountability, as what it shows vanishes in the thin air. Still worse in social media. Owing to the frequent transgressions and consequential social unrest, there is growing demand for stricter media regulations and accountability. In fact, looking at recent trends, it is best for the media to self-regulate and measure their words. You should not overstep and invite interference either from the government or from the courts. Judges may not react immediately. Please don't mistake it is to be the weakness of helplessness. When liberties are exercised responsibly within their domains, there will be no necessity of placing reasonable or proportionate external restrictions. I urge upon the media, particularly the electronic and social media, to behave responsibly. You are as important as stakeholders as we are. Please use the power of your voice to educate the people and to energize the nation in our collective endeavor to build a progressive, prosperous, and peaceful India. If we want a vibrant democracy, we need to strengthen our judiciary and empower our judges. These days, we are witnessing increasing number of physical attacks on the judges. Can you imagine a judge who served on the bench for decades, putting hardened criminals behind the bar, once he retires, loses all the protection that came with the tenure? Judges have to live in the same society as the people that have convicted without any security or assurance